Hello friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction, the live price change occur in the Steeler XLM, what's gone in Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours, and in the last 1 day. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and update. Remember to subscribe. Now let's see the price change occur in Steeler XLM, what's gone, what's the high, and what's the current status of Steeler XLM in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen, the Steeler XLM will make me mad. As you can see here, what's going in Steeler XLM. Absolutely, if we look the changes is a negative. If we look the high price, the high price is also in the false. Negative 3.14, sorry, negative 3.4% change occur in the only last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, what's going in the cryptocurrencies markets? I found 5 plus cryptocurrencies which are negative change occur in the last 1 hour. Bad results, every cryptocurrency is in the false at this time. Currently, negative 3.4% change occur in the XLM in the last 1 hour. And if we look the price, high price of Steeler XLM is about 0.4903 dollar is the high price of 40. Sorry, what's going? They will make me mad. I told you they will make me. This change is absolutely a bad change. Everyone can make from this change. You are an XLM holder, they will make you mad soon. So friends, the high price of Steeler XLM is about $0.4903 is the high price of XLM in the last 1 hour. So friends, as you can see here, the chart analysis tell us that it's a continuously a rocket hai and falling down like a rocket. They falls down. A failed rocket occurs in a Steeler XLM. Now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction. What's gone in the last 2 hours? Let's see what's the price change, what's the high price, and what's the current status of Steeler XLM and the last 2 hours. Oh my goodness, what the fuck are you doing? As you can see here, what's gone continuously falling, not to talk about jumping. As you can see here, I never saw this kind of change in any cryptocurrencies. Oh my goodness, last 2 hour change is a negative 6.57% change occur in the last 2 hours. Oh my god, it's really bad. That will broken my heart. And the high price of XLM is about $0.506885 is the high price of XLM. Now let's see the last 1 day result. What's going in the last 1 day in XLM crypto? As it a best result, as it a bad result. Oh my goodness, as I told you, as you can see here, and the last 4 hours they continuously falling down, absolutely very fastly falls down. As you can see here, that is the falling period of XLM in the last 4 hours, and the whole chain has negative 3.8% change occur in the last 1 day. What's going in the cryptocurrencies? XLM falls down, every cryptocurrencies falls down, and Wing whole chain, the new crypto are jumping upward. So friends, my suggestion for all of you, don't sell it at current time because they are also in the loss. So please don't sell it, hold it with the end of this month. I'm also a hold XLM with the last of this month. So please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.